Choosing a new ASSA ABLOY garage door is easy. Just follow our 5 easy steps. Step 3. Choose the door design to match your home's architecture. There are so many choices available, it's easy to find the right door to complement the architecture of your home. With thousands of beautiful designs to choose from, you're sure to find a garage door that will accentuate your home's character. If you prefer a traditional garage door style, you have 4 designs to choose from: short panel, long panel, flush, and ribbed. Each design will add a classic look to your home for years to come. Door designs in the carriage house style are limitless, with many custom designs available. For a maintenance-free steel carriage house door, you can choose from hundreds of designs to find one that will fit your individual style. With looks that replicate authentic barn-style doors or more simple yet refined carriage house styling, it's easy to select the carriage house garage door design that will fit your style and budget. When contemporary doors are more your style, design options include how many window panels per section you prefer. Selecting the glass for your modern door design brings the right amount of outside light inside. No matter your home's architecture, there will be a garage door design that will complement your home beautifully and match your individual style. Choosing a new ASSA ABLOY garage door is easy. Just start with a visit to the ASSA ABLOY Garage Door Designer on our website.